Dear friends, myself Dr. Pravinder Singh. Today I will tell about location of auscultation of heartbeat over chest. Chest on left side. First point in second intercostal space just left of sternal bone. Second point in fourth intercostal space just left of sternal bone. Third point fifth intercostal space in mid clavicular line and on right side of chest region. The point is on second intercostal space just right of sternal bone. Heart sound are result of closure of valve of heart. S1 sound of heart is result of tricuspid and bicuspid valve closure, and S2 sound is result of semi-lunar valve closure.